got a couple clouds. There was just a few sprinkles, but I don't think it's going to do anything terrible. A couple little sprinkles won't bother it, and because it's so warm, unfortunately, they're going to have to keep putting a little water to it anyway if the sun comes back out, because it'll dry too quick, and we don't want it to dry too quick. We don't want it to dry too slow. It's like, you know, 3 bears in porridge. This one's just right. Well, today's supposed to be mostly cloudy, so I'm hoping we're gonna, I'm thinking we're gonna pour that slab today. That way, that'll be the last concrete pour for a little while. I still got stairs to do after that, but it'll be a bit. Well, we're gonna pour the floor, that concrete slab this morning, and that won't be for a little while yet. So the guys are getting it all ready, making sure everything's in place. Have to find a couple pairs of rubber boots, hopefully. So that way, you know, walking around in concrete, you gotta have rubber boots. And everybody else is working on flooring and painting and trims. So off to a good start. I know he's not. Slab is just about poured. We got 8 yards, but I think we're need just a little bit more. So they're just going to hand mix that. That'll take care of that issue.